right now. We're not doing like a fundamentals check on Litecoin. But there is some background information that would be pertinent to you if you were an investor um, in Litecoin. Some developments that have recently been developing. All right, so this is I'm sure a lot of you guys know a little bit about Coinbase. Coinbase is a pretty popular deal. You can't do much of a technical analysis on when you're on Coinbase. It doesn't really help that much. But let's see. We can, however, do some technical analysis on TradingView. TradingView is one of my favorite chart sites. That's a word. That's the actual thing. It's one of my favorite chart sites. I was gonna set me a target. I was gonna set those targets a little bit better, but hey, who cares? Don't I want to remove that? All right. Now, if you notice these extremely refined squiggly lines here, you'll see this little flag pattern that I'm charting here. And on a flag pattern, what you're looking for is as far as like a price target to exit. If you're looking for an exiting price target, um, and you're using a flag pattern, what you want to look at is, you see this pole here. This one's not really the best example of what I'm talking about, but if you look at the bottom down here at the little $40-$60 deal, you want to take the price of that and the top end of the pole and kind of find your middle. Kind of find the middle there. So in this case, my middle of that would be around $150. So that's around $100 swing there. So what I would be looking for is, I'd be looking to add $100 to my current position that I'm tracking. That's some pretty squiggly math right there, but it's something to that effect. So what we'd be looking for is retracement up to some of these highs up here. We have a current $140 price. So when we break out of this flag consolidation pattern, we would look to move about $100 in this particular instance. It would be very simple for you guys to look up a flag pattern and like trading a flag pattern or something like that. But what I'd like to point out while we're here is, if we look at this stochastics, if we look at the RSI on the bottom down here, you'll see that the RSI is pulled down extremely low. It's very low. This is a 1 week chart, so we're looking at long term price movement here. So what I'm looking for is for the point when this little blue line crosses that red line up there. And if you would look back here, you'll see a similar thing. So what I'm looking for. And once that happened, where that little blue line crossed that red line, you can see that initiated a long-term uptrend. It peaked from that. Okay, so that was like in the mid 50s, and after that blue line crossed that red line, we got all the way up there at one point in time to above $400, guys. So that's a 10x right there. That's a 10x. That was in the 40s, low 50s, mid 50s, something like that. Let's call it a 7x. That's a lot of profit for you guys to take back home. So what we're looking for to happen here in this current time frame is something similar. Um, let's get rid of some of this crud off my screen here. Just gonna try to remove stuff. I want you to see that that doji right there. See that doji? That's that is a sign of a reversal, guys. We're on a negative. I mean, we're on a downward trend. Currently on this weekly chart for LTC's price, that's a downward trend. So with this doji here, it's representing is a reversal pattern. This is almost like I'm putting the brakes on this guy. We're falling. Similar to like an elevator or something. The elevator has a brake, and when we get down to that certain point where the sell orders volume drops below the buy orders volume, you get a price that goes upward. You know what I mean? So in this sense, the bears were selling off, but the bears were able to get it down here to I don't know why this keeps happening. The bears were able to sell their joker down to, this was at 90 something bucks, 100 some bucks, $100. So it's able to get that thing all the way down there, and those bulls forced that son of a gun back up into the 150s. So if I was looking to buy, we do see a long-term reversal on the way. So is that a good time to buy yet? Does that mean? So that's really what I'm trying to break down for you. So right now, I almost expect to see a pullback to that 100 one more time within a short period of time. Like the day, we're dealing in a time frame now of 1 day. So within this 1 day, I kind of feel that we'll get close back to that 100. What we're looking for, even though that looks like a reversal as well, I need to see some on this daily chart before I get all excited and shit and buy me some more. If I don't get a pullback to 100, I'm not gonna buy anymore right now. But what I will do is I will wait. And if I can see a higher high on this daily chart, I will feel a little bit more confident about increasing my position in LTC. Okay, and I would suggest you consider at least doing the same thing, because if you purchase in now while we're on a daily chart and we're falling with no increase in positive volume, you're really looking to just give away some coin. If you want to give away some coin, I'll leave a address. I mean, but no, I'm just literally, you'd be giving away like $50 a coin. I want to see that price pull back to that 100 mark one more time. And if I can get a peak back up to the 170s, I'll sell them off and re-enter again. I have a few like a couple hundred Litecoin to me now is like not as much. I don't know how to. I want to grow this channel, and I'll start showing you guys like some of my coin. But right now, it's not worth it to me. Like, there's a risk involved, and it's not worth it to me to take the risk for low viewership. Yeah, if I got 10,000 subscribers or something, you guys can see I'd have no problem letting you see my coins. But as of now, we're not going to any back offices. It's my personal space in crypto. Yeah, guys, we just wanna be careful right now. We are pulling out of this, but if we act too soon, get ourselves seriously burnt. Let's see if we can go find. Let's go find a couple of Trading View contributors. Some of those guys are really good, man. Some of those guys are really, really good. So we're gonna go up here to ticker, click on trading idea. I'm gonna type in LTC, USD. And we'll get all kinds of trading ideas. This is on a daily chart. Let's see what he's talking about. This is why Charlie Lee cashed out 100%. Also, he's just a troll. Okay, all right. Well, yeah, we're gonna skip this. We're not really looking to spread any FUD. If you guys want to go look at some stuff from an extreme troll, just go right ahead. I'm gonna pass. If you want to go look at extreme trolls post, then feel free. I'm not gonna waste our time on that.
Hey guys, this is Sid doing a quick video on Litecoin US dollar tonight. Actually excited to do this video, and I think
He's excited to
what
do
my
the video.
charts are telling me, there's actually two setups, actually playing out here, or two different patterns that are playing out, and you can kind of pick or choose how you want to, enter based on which pattern and where you potentially might want to target, and I'll show you that in a minute. I actually wanted to do this video yesterday, but over the past 2 days, with other things going on, I just haven't been able to do updates.
This will help you guys. We're not going to sit here and, like I
much as
said, waste time like that. And just the takeaway is extremely good resource. Trading View, trading ideas. It's a really good resource. You can get in here. I mean, if you don't know anything about Elliott wave structures and you'd like to learn something about that, wonderful resource. Look, this guy is sitting here, spelling this out. My familiarity with Elliott waves is limited, but I've learned just as much as any one of you guys could. All right, boom. This is all I want to do. Hit the magic. All right, so we're definitely seeing a pullback. We got up to 170. I cashed out some coin. 168, I think I cashed out some coin. But I had just picked those guys up at like 115, 110, and it was less than that. I don't know. I can go. It was less than that, guys. It broke below 110. I hit the market order and whatever that was. So, but as you can see, that's decent profit. I mean, I'm not getting rich. I'm not getting rich, but I am making some headway where I am able to pick up more coins. That's the name of the game. I'm like Super Mario, picking up more coin. Look, this video dragged out way too long. Like, subscribe, comment. Peace.